What is going on today, guys? Welcome back to episode 2 of prepping my Mini for college. On the last episode, we watched it. If you didn't get a chance to see that, go watch it now because it's ASMR and super relaxing. On this episode, we're going to be correcting the paint and the stripes, which are the main thing that I want to get fixed. So, without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, just like last time, we're going to be doing a Chicago Auto Pro style GoPro inspection. So, on the outside here, this front panel is nice and good. I have a door ding there that I gotta be careful of, but otherwise that. There's a little bit of scratching here. The main thing up here is some paint transfer from where the previous owner hit something. I hope I can get rid of that. This A-pillar is super marred and swirled. The marring is my fault from just now. Swirling is not. This is marred and swirled. Again, marring my fault, swirling not. Actually, no, swirling would be my fault because I got these while I had the car. But there's minor swirling. There's no clear coat on this, which is why I want a ceramic. Up here, they are swirled, marred, water spotting, there, big scratch, water spot, another huge scratch right there. I have a chip there, chunk out of the clear coat there, big chunk out of the clear coat here, nick in the clear coat, marring all over this just now because of the clay barring, and that's my fault, and that's why you only clay bar when you correct. Swirling, that's faded, and I think that's from oxidization. I can hopefully get rid of that. Up here, again, scratch, swirled, marred. This is the big one I want to get rid of. That hurts me to look at every single time I open up my truck. Why is it leaking water? Okay, I'll deal with that. This is a little bit swirled. I'm gonna have to just tape off the logo and pray on this. I think I can work over this surface and it'll be good. A little scratch right there. Chunk out of the clear coat here, chunk out of the clear coat there, chunk out of the clear coat there. So I have to be careful around those and hopefully reduce that. Another scratch there, swirling again, swirling, marring. Stripes are the issue. I think I'm just gonna polish them because I don't think they'll survive a compound polishing, but they have oxidization and swirling and watermarks and scratches and everything in them. This is the bad one right here. And then up front, I'm just gonna try and keep them safe because they have like chunks taken out of them from rocks, both sides. So yeah. It's not going to be hard, but it's definitely not going to be easy either. First things first, we gotta tape it. I bought some yellow frog tape because last time I used the green stuff I left a little bit of residue. So this is the delicate surface frog tape. Theoretically, should leave a lot less residue. I'm gonna start, might as well start right here with the windows. This has like stuff on it. Let me show you what I mean. Just did this and you see that right there? This was a perfectly clean car. There we go. It's one section taped. 50 more of those to go. Okay, it took me a little over an hour, but I'm almost done taping. I just, like, as I go to record this, I realized I didn't tape those. But otherwise, I'm done taping. Y'all remember that tape roll I opened up? Yeah, this is all I have left. This was a 60-yard tape roll, and now I'm down to basically nothing. I taped all of the chrome up here, the lights. I taped these and that, and the mirrors, and up here, and the sunroof, and the trim, and the handles, and the fuel door. Yeah. So now just do the washer jets, and then I'm done taping. Okay, so I completely blew out this pad and washed it out, so I have to reprime it basically. 4 drops. Oh, I'm gonna grab a glove real quick. I think my plan of attack for the hood is gonna be compound the main bit and then just polish the stripes. So if I can start right here, let's see how it goes. Go. You can grab a towel. Once again, using a blue towel for this. Nice and clean, just a little bit hazy. Didn't really take out any of the clear coat cracks in the hood that I'd hoped it would, though. Not that I expected it to. I am compounding the strips. Changed my mind. Those held out, that held out for compound really well. I use less compound, but I am going to compound the strips. That's the darkest I've ever seen that stripe since I got it, if not even before.
my mind after seeing what the compound did to the A and B, or the A and C pillars. So I'm compounding the roof now. Figured I'd give you a nice before and after what compound actually does to the roof. So I'm finding with the roof that the compound is getting stuck at the edges like this, next to things. And the easiest way I've found to knock that out, yeah, you can kind of see that. So the easiest way I've found to knock that out is you just take the polisher and just go tiny little pass. You give it a speed pass, it just heats up the compound just enough to release it. Okay, so here we have the polished. As soon as we go over to unpolished, you can see how bad it is. Water spotting and scratching, everything. Yeah. Okay, it is dark now because I had to take a dinner break. So the only light I have is from this and those two up there, which is not a lot, and from my little pen light. So let's get back to it. The battery on that is dead, by the way, so it's charging on the wall back there. So I'm just going to do the roof now while I have light on that. Okay, I'm going to be throwing it in for the night. I got most of it. I just haven't done from that line right there back to the fuel door in compounding, and then I still have to polish the whole thing. But the battery for that just died, and it's on the charger, so I'm going to let it charge overnight. Not that I'll need it in the morning. And I'm just going to do the rest of this in the morning, and then the polishing, and then I'll ceramic it, and just not go anywhere tomorrow, I guess. Okay, it is now the next day. I'm going to finish up this side panel and basically back everything I didn't do, and then I will pick it up when I start polishing because I am kind of in a bit of a time crunch today. Alright, I have finished up with compounding, so really make this Velcro so it doesn't come off. Let's get on to polishing. Polishing is going to take a lot less time, thank goodness. And then after this is done, it's ceramic coat it. Here we go. Okay, there we go. I have fully corrected and polished this car to as good as I can possibly get it. It's like 10:30 at night on day 2 of me doing this. So I think I'm going to finally wrap it up for this video. Please don't forget to subscribe because in the next video we're going to be taking all the tape off and ceramic coating this with Adam's graphene ceramic coating. So, if you like the video, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and until next time, goodbye.